I'm Damien.
I'm Kwanda. And today we are in
Valencia.
So if you want to experience it with us, keep on watching. We have departed the bus after 40 minutes. And we are in the city. It's the alcoholic for me. That's this whole picture for himself. He could have ordered one glass. Talking about it's cheaper to order a pitcher. I'm gonna get some water. You already started pouring before I was ready. We don't know where we at. So this port is literally like we didn't plan nothing.
Nothing.
We came off the ship. They had a shuttle for us, which we assumed was free, but it wasn't. So good thing we did change some money.
And the drive was what, about 30 minutes?
The drive felt like 30 minutes. It felt like a long drive. My jacket is falling off of me. Can you please either tie the jacket or hold the phone? If I lose this people's jacket, you'll be in trouble.
The Jazzy will come fight you.
So we just got done eating lunch. As you guys can see here, this is what we had. I had a pizza. Finally, Damien had pizza too because his meal, he didn't like it.
Nope.
They did take it up for our bill. Thank you to them. They were being so lovely. And we're just walking around. So we're just gonna walk around and show you what we see. So
Old rocks.
Damien's favorite kind of activity. Let's get to sightseeing. Got done with doing
Old church.
a little tour through this church here. It was a little eerie. Some things. Is this thing a cinematic view?
Yeah.
Take it off cinematic. Sorry. Yeah. Seeing some things and
Eerie. Never see one skull up so close before.
growing up in the Turks and Caicos Islands, the I can never say a church. Anglican church. This is what that reminds me of.
Yeah.
And honestly, I didn't like going to that church.
Me
For
either.
one, the incense always got me. Just like I just did right now. My throat is burning.
Like in there stuffy and it's the scent is.
But they have a section where there's AC, the museum part. That was
Yeah.
nice.
The scent is kind of ancient.
Yeah. But it was cool to see how they operated back in the day. But now we are heading back to the bus in hopes of not missing the bus because the bus leaves at 4 o'clock.
40 minutes, 60 minutes.
It's 3:20.
40 minutes time.
And we don't know where we at for real. So we're gonna grab some quick pictures and then go back to the bus. We took no pictures. We had to change our clothes. It got a little chilly. Not chilly enough for a jacket, but because we have it, might as well put in the sweater.
Might as well wear it.
Might as well.
We got Melanie at sea, people.
If you are a part of the Melanin at Sea crew, make sure you leave a like if you enjoy these vlogs.
Subscribe.
If you enjoy these vlogs. Comment if you enjoy these vlogs. We're all about choices over here.
Yeah.
It's our last time walking on board the ship from the pier, from a port, I should say. Here's for this trip. It's the last time.
I want them to turn black. I see girls walk by, dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness grows. I see a line of cars, and they're all painted black. Flowers and my love, both never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day.
The touch of your hand, I want your lips started kissing the sand. Yeah,
This guy looks familiar. And to end our night for dinner, we are at Raw on 5, our all-time favorite dinner spot on board the Celebrity Beyond, which is located on deck 5, right above the Grand, what is that?
Grand Plaza.
Grand Plaza. And yes, the live band is still going, but we got some fun dance for tonight. Get it? Going to our favorite seat, the table we got all 3 times. Going to my favorite chair. My favorite chair. Thank you.
Thank you very much, man.
Your favorite chair. My favorite menu.
May I ask for a water preference? Like still sparkling water?
Still, please.
Still.
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 A farewell meal.
Farewell meal. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
All right, well, let's eat. If you guys watch our first, not our first, if you guys watch previous vlogs from today, you may have seen this setup twice already. You may have not. But if you have not, we are
Back at it again.
Shout out to
Travel
Travel
Spree.
Spree. Actually, shout out to Travel Spree.
Good evening, welcome back.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Happy to be back.
Good. You had a good day?
Yeah. How about you? Oh, that was following your head, sir. It was following your head. Speed it.
Thank you.
So we are doing our final dinner on board at the Raw on 5, which is the best place to be. And you guys will join us tonight if I don't start eating on the food before I can record. So I'm ready to order. right, first we're over here. Got done eating our sushis. Didn't record nothing. Oh no, I recorded this one sushi, that was it. The rest, I didn't have time to record, I had to eat. It's still as good as the first 2 nights.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now we're waiting on our entrees.
10 minutes later.
So Damien asked for 2 of the spicy shrimp stir fry. Damien asked for 2 of it. The lady was like, I could just pack up your plate. So there's his plate. She gave me double for his trouble. All right, so we just got done with our last and final dinner on board Celebrity Beyond. We did that raw on 5 as we did before. Our 3rd time going back there for this trip.
Excuse me.
Bless you. And was it a hit or miss this 3rd time?
Hit again. Hit out the park again. I'm stuffed.
It's really sad that that restaurant is not a cover charge. It's just a la carte. They know what they're
But
doing.
they know what they're doing.
So we did go there 3 times and pay a la carte, and I never saw the bill. I don't want to see the bill.
I'm gonna give it to you tomorrow.
No, thank you. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of our Celebrity Beyond vacation, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will close it out with a few clips from our night's adventure, and then off to bed.
Peace out.
Real Celebrity Beyond. We'll see you when we see you. Hopefully.
Enrique.
See you when we see you.